What is up, guys? ETH fans, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is going to be all about Ethereum. We're going to talk a little bit about a possible price prediction in February of 2023, so shortly coming, guys. I hope you guys stick around to the end of this video. Plenty of good content for you guys on the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already and join the discussion. But with that being said, let's take a quick look into the crypto bubbles, see currently what ETH is doing on the day as we look into our favorites. However, as it relates to the crypto market, we are all pretty much torn if we want to be a green or red day. All right, so this is across the board. A lot of coins are trading neutral on the day. However, when we look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, slightly into the red, guys. All right, so Ethereum at the time of this recording is down 0.6% on the day. All right, so currently still up 33% on the month, having a great start to 2023. So all the Ethereum-based altcoins, very good to see Ethereum doing well because everything will rise and fall with Ethereum and Bitcoin, all right? So when we look at price action on Ethereum, very strong start to 2023, but let's get quickly into the news and why Ethereum might break the price prediction of $1,800 level in February 2023, all right? So as we all know, due to the bankruptcy collapse and the broader macroeconomic factors that crypto has been suffering from, we are seeing many cryptos recovering from that crash, all right? Now, I want to talk a little bit about that at the end of the video and give you guys kind of my feelings as it surrounds that crash. However, for right now, let's just dive into Ethereum as we talk about the second largest crypto according to market capitalization. And basically, we are on a rally getting above the $1,600 level. All right, so as you guys all know, and I hope you guys all had the opportunity to load your bags under $1,000 as it relates to Ethereum, and those levels were just too cheap. And talking about it with other creators and other people surrounding crypto, basically we have all came together to say that was just too cheap, too low for Ethereum, and enjoying a nice 100% gain basically in a couple months time. And where else in a bear market can you make 100% in gains just by simply investing in the number 2 ranked crypto? So stick to the blue bloods. That's my mantra in a bear market because rising tides are coming. Okay, so that's all I got when it comes to my plays with Ethereum. I'm in the long haul as it relates to Bitcoin and Ethereum, so a portion of my wallet will always be devoted to those 2 blue chips. So not financial advice. Please do your own research with all things crypto. Just sharing with you guys how I handle my personal wallet. Okay, so when we talk about Ethereum and their upgrade that they recently did, Ethereum has been one of the most reliable and dependable cryptos, basically in a secondary tier stablecoin in my personal belief. Okay, so that's just kind of how I view it. And to transact on the Ethereum network, you have to keep some funds in Ethereum, okay? And it's kind of, you can go back and forth with UST, USDT, USDC into Ethereum, and that is something that people do and pay those fees. However, I do keep a good chunk of my wallet basically in Ethereum at all times because it is just some kind of more of a stable crypto, if you will. The blue bloods don't, if they go up one day, they go down one day. And, basically getting back to these levels of 1600, that's pretty stable when you look at it in the longer scope of things. However, if you did buy it above $3,000, I empathize with you. I am on that train as well because back in those times, people were discussing Ethereum hitting 12K. Okay, so now let's talk about this price action if we could aim for 1800. Okay, so we talk about ETH experiencing a significant price surge. This could be from a lot of major announcements. However, I do think it's from more of the softening of the monetary policy when it relates to the Fed and just the sentiment overall as these macroeconomic factors are kind of dying down. I think the uneasy investors in 2023, they're ready to get back in the markets, right? A lot of these institutions are ready to get back into crypto because they want to regain a lot of the losses that they took basically out of skepticism and kind of just keeping a one eye open approach to investing in crypto because of all the uncertainty. All right, so we are seeing our first time the fear and greed index is basically into the green. That has not happened for a long time, guys. So this is very important as we move forward into 2023. However, some of these announcements, such as the European Investment Bank and Visa, will again leverage Ethereum to tokenize capital markets. Okay, so that is something that is once again happening and basically issuing the first ever digital pound bond on the Ethereum blockchain. So that is huge as we get into that gray area, that muddy water where institutions basically are commingling with decentralization, and that's kind of just a tricky topic all in itself. However, there is a line where that becomes good for crypto and good for adoption as we look for more and more people to enter the sector. Okay, but also Visa is the leading in digital payments, is announcing plans to transact USDC basically over the Ethereum network. Okay, so that would basically provide a lot more adoption and utilization to transact Ethereum. Okay, so basically, also, if we talk briefly, if for those of you that follow technical indicators, there is an ascending triangle pattern surrounding Ethereum, and that is providing a possibility for Ethereum to target in on that $1,800 level by the end of February. So, you know, as with Ethereum, as I talk about it, if you're not swinging trading Ethereum, having it at 1,600, having it at 1,800 is basically your own. It's in the eye of the beholder. However, it is, if you transact with Ethereum, that's awesome because everything will go up if Ethereum goes up. However, I'm not looking to swing trade Ethereum necessarily at these levels. I'm just looking to basically maintain, keep using it to transact, and keep building my wallet up in more responsible altcoins in blue chips. Okay, so that's just my personal investment strategy. As I said, please do your own research. However, I do think that Ethereum price could continue to soar as more and more positive sentiment and loosening of the Fed occurs with their monetary policy. Okay, so I think the FTX bankruptcy, I think the XRP trial, I think these are all springboards in 2023 that we're going to get a little bit more certainty as we move forward as more regulatory time surrounding crypto. So this is where I see Ethereum headed in 2023. So this could be a good option for you to diversify and enhance your portfolios for the long term to keep basically maximum returns if Ethereum continues to climb and eventually could retake that $3,000 level. So that would be very good for crypto. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you do join the channel. Hit the subscribe button down below if you have not done so, and we'll see you all in the next video.